Managing your team is essential to decreasing costs and increasing the quality of the work being performed because it impacts the type of product and services your organization provides. Using the right software to help you manage workflows and team performance is essential for your success. And with the tool that we are about to show you, you can achieve that desired employee well-being, cost savings, and profitability. In today's video, we will show you how to optimize your work management with FreeAgent, a full-featured CRM and work management system that assists organizations in organizing their tasks, collaborating more effectively across teams, and tracking and improving their performance. So stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. FreeAgent is an all-in-one customer relationship management and project management solution. Having everything in one location makes it easier for your team to collaborate, track their progress, and enhance overall performance. Plus, FreeAgent enables your team to keep on top of their responsibilities, whether it's a contract, a project, or a service ticket. FreeAgent organizes your team's projects by keeping track of them because it centralizes all of your company's tasks. In addition, the software can be tailored to your needs, letting you work on projects for yourself or others and assign them to different team members in your organization. Additionally, you can prioritize tasks based on certain circumstances by due date, priority, or automatic prioritization. You can also categorize your actions. With FreeAgent, you can tweak every aspect of the system. For more straightforward platform navigation, you can customize form sections, fields, rules, and layouts for all user types. Record cards appear in index, Kanban board, list, and related list views. You can also determine event intervals for computation fields and automation. Plus, email list functions include meeting invitations, automated report distribution, and automated templated email to list recipients. The format masks and computed fields can capture numerical values, percentages, or date fields. You can also establish dynamic record preferences for contacts, accounts, and more via the FreeAgent tool. You can automate tasks with custom triggers and actions. For example, you can track the duration of work and even break it down into phases if necessary. Furthermore, you can use the filter feature to find starred communications, emails, phone calls, meetings, and attachments in the activity timeline. This will allow you to set up escalation rules to notify management when critical tasks are late or fail to satisfy requirements. FreeAgent lets you how work is done. You will be able to manage, track, and create standards for the flow of work in your organization to ensure that it proceeds smoothly and follows industry best practices. Additionally, roles and conditional form rules let you control which fields are visible, editable, or required, and how field values are changed based on a variety of criteria. Plus, you can create a new record from within an existing one, which automatically links the two records together and adds any custom values you specify. Did you see how you can enhance your team performance and still provide excellent products and services? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy FreeAgent services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see how your work can automate and report processes with FreeAgent. Automating repetitive tasks is a great way to increase productivity and significantly impact your business with FreeAgent. It is possible to develop and manage operations within the FreeAgent platform and to initiate automation based on a record update or custom code. Furthermore, workflows can be extended infinitely with bespoke webhooks and developer tool references. You can easily create new records in any app using condition-based triggers to improve job management efficiency. In addition, you may schedule tasks like creating updating entries and/or batch datasets to and from FreeAgent to run regularly. Then, customize workflow automation triggers based on creating a new record. You can track and monitor critical indicators across your organization with the FreeAgent reporting tool. You can organize reports into customizable dashboards for quick access to data. Additionally, you can add a mini dashboard to any view to show or hide from the dashboard in the view. Important task-based metrics, such as cycle durations analytics, tasks by the owner, and tasks by project, can be tracked throughout your team as well. You can use FreeAgent's widgets to create a task dashboard with various KPI and indicators, so you can keep an eye on your team's progress. Reports can also be generated based on dates, dates ago, or dates in the past. In addition, FreeAgent helps you track and report email open and click rates across users and templates, as well as notifications when a receiver opens or clicks a link or attachment. To make things even easier to find and use, you can organize your data into groups. Then automatically add widgets like subtotals, bar charts, and more. You can import and export data from numerous databases with a few clicks. Optimize your team performance and manage all your work using FreeAgent by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.